Welcome back to our channel. I'm glad this is the last part of paper 3, okay, 2b, and then we can finish economic HL 2024 May. I'm relaxing, very relaxing. Okay, the question can use the text or data provided in the knowledge of economics. Okay, recommend a policy which could be introduced by the government of Turkey to reduce the rate of inflation. Okay, reduce the rate of inflation. So first of all, you need to remember what's the situation of Turkey, hyperinflation, okay? Very high inflation, okay? And then the government has not much money now, okay? Use up not much money. So you have to use a policy that don't need much money, but it can decrease the inflation. So what is the way? Yes, increase the interest rate. Monetary policy. Okay, so why increase the increase in interest rate can decrease the rate of inflation? Because when you increase interest rate, okay, the cost of borrowing increases. Okay, yeah, you need more money. The interest is more. Cost of borrowing increases. So for the consumer spend less, right? Yeah, they don't use spend less. Okay, and the producer will invest less too. Okay. Yeah, both of them will not make so many things. Okay, so the aggregate demand will drops. Okay, okay, when the aggregate demand drops, okay, the potential output will drops. Okay, the output will output drop. Okay, the real output drop. Okay, and then our term is closing the inflationary gap. Okay. And the economy will cool down and inflation will drops. Okay. Okay, this is all I can think of how to answer this question. Okay, sometimes I look it up from the all the data given. Okay, not many is related to it except for you can code high interest rate, how high it is, and you can code the government use a lot of money already, not many money left. Okay, so they can't use other policy to do so. Maybe you think it is not worth that for 10 marks. So although it is a question that has no place, no empty space for you to draw the graph, you can still draw the graph. If you think that not very comfortable, really not very comfortable to me, you think that wow, okay, I think it's too little. So you remember now is a long one is here, long one aggregate supply here. And then in the short one now is just inflation, high inflation, high inflationary gap. Okay, so the aggregate demand is here, and the short one aggregate supply is here. And then you want to change it from 1 to 2, decrease it, okay, to 82, such that the output will drops. Okay, okay, from y2 to y1, so closer to the potential one, so the inflation will decrease and not so overheated. So when you draw this graph, remember you can yeah, add here 81 to 82. Yes, output y2 to y1 to y2, closer to y. You can say more. You can say more. So sometimes it's like this. So sometimes you can think about why are not then excellent. If you can't why are not, try to draw a graph. Okay. And yes, I hope the graph can help you to present the thing more clearly. And the market even for this part should be, remember 1B and 2B should be just explanation coded data, but I really can't find a lot of data that can be coded from the question. Okay. So it is my suggestion. Okay. In exam is always like this. Okay. You have a lot of tools. Okay. Writing, explanation, and graph. In economy, okay, we always think economics always think graph is the best way for the presentation. Okay. Very clear. So it is my suggestion for this part. Okay. And I'm happy. Okay. We finished. table 1, 2, 3. And you go through it with me, okay? Thank you for your companion with me, okay? See you.